All right, for some of you getting ready for harvest season's pretty easy, but this combine's been a little neglected to say the least. Got the puller on here. Going to take an impact, get that off of there. But I got a question for Wildcat Willie. Number one, your check is in the mail. It's on the way. Don't panic. The sieves are as good as bought. But this is spring loaded. I need advice on how to get this off of here. I'm going to tag you in this video. And because I know you're like the guru when it comes to Massey Ferguson combines. And this is a first for me as far as having to tear that off of there. And so, yep, and I'm sure you've had these off. So let me know. Pretty much pulling all the bearings here. There's a lot of other stuff too. Maintenance just to get it ready. Just ordered the upper hydraulic filter for this, and still got to deal with that steering valve on the other side. I'm not even going to show you that, but every bearing will be pulled before this thing is field ready. And everybody's asking me, oh, when are your beans ready? More like, when is the combine ready? It's just going to be one of those years. I'm not taking this to the field without it being pretty much factory new bearing wise. So that's what's going on today. See what we're working with here.
Lift up on it so I can pull this out of here.
Lift up on what?
Just lift up on that.
Oh, on the tray itself?
Yeah.
Alright. Did you get it? Tell you what, they shouldn't be that heavy because that thing's loaded with whatever, and it ain't good. And you see how dark it is being shoveled out of there. Oh my word.
Now I see what we need to do.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta get past that.
Oh, the lip?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This thing is embarrassingly a wreck. I'm glad it's dark because if you saw that in there, you'd be like, dude, what are you doing? What are you doing owning a combine and stuff? Yeah, that. I'm guessing that tray isn't supposed to be quite that heavy either. I would get out of there. This is gonna fall. Oh, the board's stuck. I'm gonna lift it up, get in there and get that board. Ready? Hang on.
Yeah, we got one on the
Yeah,
other
get this one, just get it. Alright.
That's close enough. That'll work its way out.
Huh, okay. Well, wow, is that clogged and jammed and all kinds of crap. This is what happens when the bearings go bad and stuff can't move freely through it. I think the boards are stopping it now. Instead of acting like a ramp, they're acting like a stop.
Yeah. How high can you lift?
As high as it needs to be. There you go. Alright. If it didn't have all that chaff, and this is wet too. I mean, this is rough. Comes down on me, I'm getting hurt. Got us a convoy. Nope, we got us a combine. Yeah, you get some of that crap out of there. I bet we reduce it 100 pounds. Look at all that. Sheesh. Sheesh. Breathe that in, you have black lung in about 30 seconds. Sheesh. It's bad like when you're out of shape, but then when you're sick, it amplifies. Yeah, your being out of shape is amplified by your respiratory infection. So you're breathing hard, as it is. I mean, there has to be 100 pounds of crap up in there, don't you think?
Oh, at least.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's all due to bad bearings, just things not turning correctly. There's probably stuff there from 1985.
Wouldn't doubt it.
I'm trying to figure out what viewer I can blame for it. You know, I'm thinking that darn silver barn. That darn silver.
You're gonna do a video of all the shit that came out of it?
Oh, why wouldn't I? Hey, it's not every day that somebody doesn't properly maintain their combine and get 30 years of gunk out of it. That's for sure. So that's caught again. Most people probably don't even pull these. Truthfully, if you redo a combine, know you're gonna pull them. That's for sure. Yeah, you get a bar in there, and we can. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if that'll be strong enough though. Is it solid?
No, it's the same as that.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, there's room in there. Yep. Should be. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, but that's only one side. That's the problem. I tell you what, you want to do a 24-hour challenge? Sleep in there for 24 hours. Get you some of this mold spores. Okay, I see, yeah. We're above on the one side, we're not on the other. You can see right there. Don't have to be a real long bar. I think 3-4 feet would do it. Yeah, you're going to want to look out, man, because that thing's going to drop.
I don't want to push up on your side.
No, I'm not. I'm going to pull it and just get out of there. I think I can do it with one hand. No, I can't. Shoo! There we go. Shoo.
What I wanted to see.
Yeah, that's not exactly what I wanted to see. I mean,
I am.
clean enough for like a possum or a raccoon. Got all them blocks up there.
Oh, I know.
Those got to be originals. Those are just wood, right?
Yeah,
Wood blocks, yeah.
they're easy to remake.
Oh yeah.
All you gotta do is get this thing just that hair the rest of the way.
What hair?
Get it out from under there.
Oh. Grab that end, I'll grab this end, just pull. Make sure your feet are not in the way, because you will lose them. Ready? And there you go. There you go. A dirty ashtray. Peat moss. Yeah, that's all packed in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm sitting up here on the home of my future new building. I got 2B stone laid out and stuff, and I'm not going to bore you to tears with that. I do need to run strings one last time. I think I had it about an inch off, and I'll live with that. I mean, you're gonna get settling anyways, but I can tell you that fill dirt had a lot of clay in it, and we've had several rains. You can see where my stakes and stuff are, and oh, it's hard like concrete. And I've decided I got to get back down there and finish up those headlands plowing, and there's a little bit more to do, so we're gonna go do that, finish that up real quick. I am gonna hit this plow with a grease gun, the coulters, and the depth wheel and whatnot. Anywhere there's a zerk, I'm gonna hit it, and then we're gonna hook the M up to the 370s, and we're gonna go for broke tomorrow once the plowing's done. So let's go, let's grow.